I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, welcome back. So I'm in the other location that I told you guys I was going to film in. I'm in my bedroom. Yeah, I just didn't want you guys to get tired of the scenery. That's it. But, so I'm going to do I'm doing eeny, meeny, miny, moe on my head right now. But I'm going to go ahead and do my Torrid try-on haul. This is completely unsponsored. I legit spent $500 on what I feel like is absolutely nothing. So, you guys are going to hear my feelings about this. My phone stops buzzing over here. But you guys are definitely going to hear my feelings about Torrid. And I don't understand all the hype. But I guess I found some good leggings. So let's go ahead into the pieces that didn't fit and that I didn't try on. I do have inserts of photos of these shoes that I did try on. And I just got these in an 8.5. They fit really nicely. They are like wide without being wide, if that makes sense. Like, I think like they're automatically wide. I don't know. But usually I don't really order wide shoes. I just order, you know, the regular. But these fit really nicely to me, and you can definitely adjust the straps to your liking, and I like the fact that it has the zipper. So once you adjust your straps, which are right here, you can just, you know, zip into them. Originally, I was just going to, you know, get these, try them, throw them in a closet sale or something like that. But I actually turned out that I like them, and they're actually super duper comfortable. So their shoes were a hit. So the next shoe was this black one, and I feel like I don't have enough black heels that I can just wear comfortably. So these heels, like this, is really comfortable, and my foot like fit really nicely in there. And I always try it on my right foot because that's the problem foot. Now these right here don't adjust, but they do, like they just sit there. They just sit there, and they stretch out. Like this part stretches out if you needed to stretch a little more. But other than that, I just like the cage detail. It looks really nice on. And again, I'll insert photos, and it does zip up in the back here, which are easy to get into. You know, those ankle straps kind of get annoying sometimes. So then I just bought some underwear and stuff. I didn't try them on, but got these lacy cheekies. Oh, it is a cheeky. I was like, I know they got a name, but it's a cheeky, and I got them in a 3. And then I got this nice light pink thong, and I forgot it was like $5 or something. I don't know, but I just picked out several pair because it was like, buy this many, get that much. And yeah, most of these do have matching bras to go with them, and that was just like a blue color. So then I got this black color, and I think these are all like the same style. They have the lace right here. I mean, people rant and rave about these thongs, and I am into thongs, but you know, hopefully they're as good as people hype them up to be. So also got these hipsters right here, but it came with a bralette, and that's the thing. I ordered the bralette, and it like went out of stock. They pulled a Fashion Nova on me, basically. So I got that green bralette for nothing, and I wanted it to match the panties. I just didn't want it just to want it, you know. And it looked like this one. So this is the black version of it, and yeah, it's just like a triangular top. And what is it called? I don't even know if these things have names. The black geo lace high neck bralette. And again, Torrid is super expensive, and people say never shop Torrid without a discount code. I found absolutely no discount code. I tried to shop all in the sale section, but $500, y'all, that's a lot. So then I have this pair of jeggings that just were like a no-go. Like, it says our skinniest fit, smooths your tummy too, and I got them in what, like a 20? No, a 3 regular, and it has like this lace detailing up the leg. I don't even know if it's, yeah, it's pretty opaque. Like, it's not actually see-through, it's just the detail, and it's really like wide, and they have stretch, and I'm just like, I don't know why they didn't work, but yeah, so no for me, dog. So let's get into the stuff that I actually tried on, and the first thing being this dress. Got it in a 2, Could have got it in a 1. Honestly, it's just a gray, like, is it like a skater dress? I don't really know. But it does flare out a little bit. I wish it flared out a little bit more. It is off the shoulder. Like, it's just a simple dress. I think it's a very conservative length, and I think a lot of body shapes and types can definitely pull it off. So then I got these 2 tops, one in mustard, one in olive. I think I'm going to keep the mustard one because I got some sandals recently to match it. And it's just like a choker neck cutout detail and sleeveless. Yeah, it's just, I'm telling you, it's just a really basic shirt. And the original price was $28.90 for like a $10 shirt. So I paired that shirt with, I don't even remember at this point, but I'm going to try and remember. And yeah, I think I did pair it with these jeans. Hopefully I did. But anyways, I got these in a 24. And these are, dang, I should have saved these for last because I really like them. I don't know if I tried these on with this. Maybe. But I got them in a 24, and they're called, they're girlfriend jeans, supposedly. It's a girlfriend fit. And they are super duper wide. I just don't think the pants go up high enough. Like, I wish they went up, like, not these in particular, but a lot of the jeans that I tried on, I just wish they went up a little bit higher. So then it has, like, this nice, like, angled, weird cut at the bottom, and it's frayed. And I like the wash of denim. It's, like, really different than anything I own in my closet. So, yeah, I think, like, they look nice on. I had, like, plenty of wiggle room. Like, it's just a weird fit for me. And in jeans, I'm usually between a 20 and a 24. That's why I try to stick to the 22s. But, yeah, I got these in a 24 regular. And they fit okay. I think that was the only pair that I decided I would try and keep. So, yeah. And then I got these. And these are, like, the boyfriend style jeans. And I got them in olive. And I got them in a size 24 as well. And these, like, they fit, but they didn't, I don't know. Again, I just don't feel like they went up high enough. I feel like they were loose in all the wrong places. And then, like, they cuffed at the bottom. But again, they're boyfriend jeans, so they're not supposed to be super fitted and stuff. So I guess these fit how they're supposed to fit. But I feel like I would need a belt with these jeans. And I don't like jeans that I have to wear a belt with, to be honest. Like, no. I'm good with my monoteaks and my fashion over jeans, where I just put them on and I never need a belt. So, yeah. The next things over here, I think I might have tried these on with the olive top. The olive version of that mustard top, but I don't really know. But again, you guys will see everything as I try it on. So, just know everything was tried on that I'm showing right now. So, this is, oh, I got this in a size 2. Both of these tops. I thought it was a 3. But I got them in a 2. Again, it's that $28.90 top that could have been $10. And I tried them on with these black jeans right here. These, oh, they're jeggings. It's a 22. Yeah, these were like a struggle to get into. Their jeggings have like this weird, super short zipper. I just wish they were like more high-waisted and just a better fit overall. So apparently I don't like their jeggings. I don't like the jeggings, and I felt like if I was to get a 24, it would just be like an awkward fit because they don't go up high enough. So, yeah, you know, somebody actually asked me to try out Torrid, which is why I tried them out. Like, they're not my usual go-tos just because the price point is like super duper high for no reason. And like, I don't know. So, I got these leggings right here. I'm looking for a tag, but I don't see one. Oh, I think they were on like a, you know, the things that leggings come on sometimes. But the cardboard and stuff. So these are just like, they have like this cage detailing on the leg area. I think these are really cute, and it was actually one of the my favorite things in this haul besides the shoes. Yeah, they just were like, people rave about their leggings too. And I'm telling y'all, I watch a lot of plus size YouTubers, and I watch a lot of straight size YouTubers and stuff too. But of course the plus size ones rave about Torrid. And I guess I understand it's like some people's cup of teas and people don't mind the price point, but I'm like, I can really go find like something I would like 10 times better at a cheaper price point. So why should I? Whatever. So I mean, I'm sure I can find like stuff I really like, but it just wasn't in this haul. And I don't know when the next time I will ever do a haul from them. So yeah, this is in a 3, and maybe one day they'll reach out and be like, hey, you want to try something? And then I can pick the stuff that I just didn't feel like paying for now, right? But yeah, I like these leggings. Again, they're decent. Like, I think they're opaque. I have to look back at the footage, but I think they're pretty opaque, and I think that's what people really like about them. But other than that, they're just leggings. And they're yeah, they are more opaque than a lot of companies these days, so I will give them that. And I got just this plain black pair as well. And yeah, I mean, they're just leggings. I don't really have to say too much about them, but people rant and rave about them. So the next pair of pants I got, I don't know what top I tried this on with, but I think it might have been the olive top. So they're just like this. I like the pink. I like the shade of pink that we got going on. It's like a mauve-y shade of pink, and this is, it's stuck to my lip gloss, the tag. So I got these in a 22, but I think they were on sale. Originally $64.90, like $64.90 for some jeans, and those girlfriend ones over there are saying $68.90, like for some jeans. $64.90 over there. Like, oh my gosh. Like, okay, again, I'm pretty sure I got them on sale. If I didn't, I should slap myself. So yeah, I think the 22 extra small was the only size they had left. Not extra small, but extra short. So I wanted to try them out. Of course, they were extra short, so they were really tight around like my calves. And I didn't even know they had a zipper. I could have unzipped them and pulled them up a little bit more. But I felt like as soon as I sat down, my butt crack would be out. So I know not to get the extra shorts, right? But I felt like, you know, I'm extra short. Why not? But I guess it wasn't made for me. So yeah, and I'm 5'4", because I know some people ask that. But that's these pants right here. Again, I just don't think the prices are, I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, so I got these active leggings, and they're separates, y'all. So the leggings were $54.90. And then the top, or sports bra, was $38.90. So that's a lot for a freaking activewear set. But I will say, the activewear sets were some of my favorite things besides the leggings and the shoes. These activewear sets really stole my heart. So this is the legging that goes with the red one, and it's just like a black and white grayish, I don't really know how to explain it, print going on. And I have some similar, but they were probably 30 times cheaper. But yeah, I have some similar from GS Love, and I know Shop Lace and Leopard, she has some similar sets on her site as well, and I think they're definitely cheaper, and they come top and bottom together. But it's something I want to mention. I do like buying things separately because you know, some people do have a smaller top than bottom, but I got both of these in a 3, and it fit really well. So yeah, these leggings really, you know, stay up and suck you, you know, they you in. And then the top is just this really pretty, I wish it was reversible since it costs $40. Really pretty sports bra with the red panels going on, and then the black detailing. I love the detailing of the back of this. And again, me holding it up will not really show you anything. I have it upside down so you guys can see. But it's really pretty, and I just wish that it reversed, because on the inside it's red. And it just would be really cute as just like a red top too that you can throw on. So, yeah. The next and last thing is this Killing It set. I absolutely love this set. Now, these bottoms were $54.90 and the top was $38.90, so basically the same price as the other one. So I really like this one. I like both of them, but this one was really cute as well. And it's like a hot pink, gray, and black set, and it says Killing It on the side. Like, I don't know. Like, they activewear, like, I might just shop Torrid for active wear, but then I'll look at the price of my cart and be like, yeah, you thought take 5 of them sets out. But their active wear is actually really nice and flattering. And then the top to that Killing It set looks like this. The gray trim, hot pink all over, and then the Killing It is in black. So yeah, it's just a really nice set overall, really aesthetically pleasing. Again, my overall thoughts was, shout out to y'all in the comments who told me to try them. I'm gonna try them again and see if I find better things. I'm gonna see if my I don't even know. I'm just gonna see if this part of the try on can help me determine my sizing for the future. But like, I felt like the pants sizings were all over. The jeggings I would have to buy bigger, and usually I buy jeggings smaller. The jeans, I felt like the 24 fit, but was kind of too big. And if I get a 22, it won't fit. So it's just like, what? I don't know. Alright, so on to the next haul that I'm about to record. And there's quite a few things over there from there. So let's go ahead and jump into that. And then I can make me some queso and have my tortilla chips. And yeah, and wind down for the night. I've filmed so much this past weekend, and it's really late and I got class tomorrow. So let's get into this next haul.